Welcome to the workbench of our potato gun factory up in northern Saskatchewan. What we are doing today, we are going to make a potato gun out of ABS pipe, and I'm going to show you all the ins and outs of the features of this potato gun that we have mastered. We have a few generations of potato guns, and these are some of the tricks that I'd like to show you guys what seems to work very well for us. So if you want to make a gun, you can make it this way or make some improvements, or if you have any better ideas, bring them on. Okay, so what we got is our combustion chamber. This is going to be a 20-inch potato gun once it's all finally assembled. 18-inch seemed to work very well with hairspray. Had a nice one that was going extremely fast, long, and accurate. Unfortunately, it's in the possession of the RCMP. We are using ether on this gun. 20-inch barrel is what we've chosen this time, and we think we've got it dialed in at that length. Okay, we have a typical barbecue starter, the mechanical piezoelectric one. We've got our two wires going to electrodes, which we just used some screws that we just dug out of the out of the junk pile, and you can see the spark there. That'll ignite our ether and oxygen. We are not adding oxygen at this level here, but that's another story, another generation of guns. Our barrel is going to thread on through here once it's all assembled, and we're just in the process of assembling this barrel. Here's the potato stuff end. Now what we've done, we've ground this so it's very thin on the edge here. It's going to be razor sharp so that we can slam our potato in very well. We're going to have to be careful on your hands. We are flaring the inside of this potato gun with this flare stick. Okay. Now some people might know this, recognize this as a hockey stick, but this is a potato gun flaring stick. Okay, so we're going to be rotating this to flare it out so that when your potato carves in, it's like a funnel and it's a little bit larger on the inside the barrel as it goes in. A lot of resistance to push it in, but that's one of the best parts of one of the important factors. Okay, so here's the other end where the potato will sit. Unfortunately, I drove over this with the car when I was loading it in the airplane. Nonetheless, I'll cut this straight. I'm going to clean out the inside of the potato gun and make it as coarse as I can, probably to like a 60 grit. And that will allow the slug of the potato to grip into the inner chamber of the on the barrel. That will require a lot higher pressure to release the potato and get it accelerating out the barrel. So with the combination of mechanical grip and the starch from the potato, we'll send this one in a nice generous direction. Okay, the threaded part, awesome. We can change barrels quite easily. I have a nice 6.5 foot barrel, which works very well, long and straight. Have another 3-foot barrel, which is great for quad box or in your backpack, and using wherever. You can use it indoors in your house. You can dodge around your doorways and stuff. And another favorite barrel that I love to use is the golf course barrel. It's a steel barrel, and it's great for launching golf balls 400 yards, 500 yards, and usually they end up on the other fairway, but that's all up to the operator. Okay, stick around. I'll show you how this works once we get her all fired up. Okay, talk to you soon.